How to delete your shop. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your shop on Facebook app. Easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook, click on it. And here you're gonna find your page, click on it. Scroll over to find more. Click on it and click on shops. Here you're gonna find edit or add something. In your option you're gonna find delete shop at the bottom of your page. Click on it and you can delete your shop. You should know that deleting your shop will remove the shop section from your page. And you can click on delete shop if you are sure. And this is it, easy and quick. So this is it guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.